Welcome everyone. Today, we're exploring the thriving art scene of Kauai. This beautiful island is a treasure trove of creativity, where traditional Hawaiian art forms meet contemporary expressions. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just looking for a unique experience, Kauai has something to offer for everyone. Let's start with traditional Hawaiian art forms. One of the most notable is weaving. The weaving techniques used by Kauai's native Hawaiian people are unparalleled and have been passed down through generations. These woven pieces have cultural significance, representing the history and stories of the island's people. You can find intricate baskets, hats, and mats made from lauhala leaves, a type of pandanus plant that grows abundantly on the island. Moving on from traditional art forms, Kauai also has contemporary art galleries that showcase the talent of local artists. The Kauai Society of Artists Gallery, Halo Halo Ku Gallery, and Kila's Glass Gallery are just a few places where you can see how traditional art forms have influenced modern art. And if you're looking for a more immersive art experience, consider booking a tour with the Kauai Art Tour Company. Led by local artists, the tour takes visitors to various galleries and studios on the island, offering an up-close look at the creative process. Now, if you love outdoor art installations, you're in luck. Murals and street art are abundant in the island's cities and towns, showcasing the talents of local artists and adding a unique flair to the urban landscape. Sculpture and land art are also prevalent, with stunning works of all sizes, shapes, and materials scattered throughout Kauai's natural environment. You'll find plenty of public art and community projects that have been created to bring people together and celebrate the island's rich culture and heritage. For those of you who want to improve your artistic skills, Kauai offers a variety of art classes and workshops. The Kauai Society of Artists and the Hanapepe Art Night are popular options that offer a range of classes and workshops throughout the year. These classes not only provide an opportunity to learn new techniques and develop your skills, but also allow you to connect with other artists and members of the local art community. Next, let's talk about Kauai's artisan markets and fairs. The Hanapepe Friday Night Festival and Art Walk, Kauai Community Market, Hilahana Plantation Art Walk, and Koloa Plantation Days Festival are some of the best places to immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Kauai's artisan markets. Here, colorful displays of handmade crafts and local goods are set against a backdrop of lush greenery and ocean views. If you're interested in delving deeper into the art scene of Kauai, you'll definitely want to check out the various artist studios and residencies on the island. These offer a unique opportunity to meet and greet local artists, and get a behind-the-scenes look at their creative process. Many studios also offer demonstrations, artist talks, and panel discussions, giving you a chance to learn more about the inspiration and techniques behind the art. Exploring Kauai's art and culture through guided tours is like embarking on a treasure hunt, uncovering hidden gems and discovering the island's rich artistic heritage. A popular tour is the Kauai Art Tour, which takes you to various galleries, studios, and exhibitions on the island. Another option is the Hanapepe Friday Night Art Walk, where you can explore the art galleries, shops, and restaurants in the charming town of Hanapepe. Finally, let's talk about how you can support the local art scene in Kauai. You can show your support by collaborating with local artists, purchasing art from local galleries or directly from artists themselves, or attending art events and exhibitions. By supporting the local art scene, you're not only helping to preserve and promote the island's unique culture, but also contributing to the growth and success of Kauai's talented artists. So, there you have it. Kauai is not just a tropical paradise, it's also a vibrant hub for art and culture. Start exploring Kauai's art scene today and let it take you on a journey of discovery and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.